Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and today in this video I will show you how to stop Windows 10 or 11 drivers update because they might mess up a program or device you really on, or install unwanted drivers, or perhaps use up previous internet data. Then here's how to do it. So now I am going to show a method that should work on all type of Windows version like Windows 10 and 11, and we are going to do it with the help of registry editor. So at the very first, from the text bar, let's click on the Windows search and type here res edit. Now select the registry editor from the result and open it. Now here let's navigate to ASCII local machine. Then you will go into software. After then policies. Then Microsoft. And here the Microsoft option, you may find a option Windows. Now in here you will find a folder named Windows Update. If it does not exist, you will need to create it. So just right click on the Windows folder and select new, then key, and you need to name it Windows Update, and you have to make sure the W and U and capital letter. So once the Windows Update key is created, you need to add a new value inside it. It's called exclude W drivers in quality update. So once it is done, just right click on the Windows Update and select new, then dot 32-bit value, and name this value exactly as I type here, exclude W drivers in quality update, and with the E, W, U, D, I and Q all in the capital letter. Now we need to assign a value of 0 to 1. So double click on it and change the data from 0 to 1. Then click on OK and save the change. Now once you create this registry value, you will prevent Windows from updating drivers throughout the Windows update for Windows 10 and Windows 11. So after finish this, you just need to restart your Windows and it will be fine. So I hope this little tutorial is very useful for you. If you did, please like and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any type of question, then contact with me or comment on the comment section. I will reply you. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.